Michael!
What do you want?
There's a purple tornado with 3 eyes and a tusk. Could you kill it for me?
I'm gonna get you for that, you purple thing!
Me hungry. You messed with me, Isaac the Spider.
Oh yeah, that brown thing you heard over there? That's my turn. So all I want to do is beat the ever-living shit out of you. Ah! Oh wait, my spike ball. Hiya!
Is that a spike ball?
Oh! Get up, we're not finished. Okay, maybe it's over.
My head. Hopefully Michael dealt with it. Michael, you're bleeding! I'm going to kill you, purple thing! I'm gonna make sure it's as painful as possible.
Finally.
Let go of me, you jerk.
Guys, we're supposed to be friends.
He had his chance and he blew it. That's it. Time to finish this.
Sorry you had to see this, Spike Ball.